Look at that big boy.
He's walking to me.
Yo, Jacob. What a big boy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Help him up.
Okay.
He gave up on you.
Yes, Dad. Here. Okay, get up.
He wants to play with the baby.
This one, this one, that one, and this one. That one. That's a hat. Right, you. Yeah. The baby? Here. Here, put that up.
Jacob, come here. Come here.
Because she needs one.
Whoop.
Here, I'll help him up. Okay.
Hey, handsome.
Mommy?